The world's most powerful navy, massive U.S. aircraft carriers, facing off against a much smaller nation, Iran. Can Iran really take on America? The answer is yes, but not in a fair fight. It's all about smart, deadly asymmetric warfare. Let's break down Iran's four most terrifying tactics that could turn the Persian Gulf into a nightmare for the U.S. Navy. Point 1. Fast visuals of swarms. First, the swarm attack. Hundreds of super-fast small boats from the IRGC Navy, loaded with rockets, machine guns, and anti-ship missiles. They hit from every direction at once. U.S. ships have amazing defenses like phalanx guns, but too many targets equals overload. Even 10 to 20% hits can wreck the flight deck and stop air operations. Point 2. Mines animation. Second, turn the Strait of Hormuz into a deadly minefield. Thousands of smart naval mines, acoustic triggered to explode only on enemy ships, laid secretly by subs, boats, or disguised vessels. One choke point blocked equals global oil prices skyrocket. It's not just military, it's economic chaos. Point 3. Missile batteries. Third, the kill zone. Mobile missile launchers hidden along Iran's rugged coast. Shoot powerful anti-ship missiles, then disappear. Shoot and scoot. Every U.S. ship in the Gulf becomes a constant target. No safe spot anywhere. Point 4. Subs and drones. Fourth, stealth subs and drone swarms. Ghadir-class midget submarines hide on the seafloor, launch surprise torpedoes. Plus waves of suicide drones crashing into radars and decks, blinding the fleet. Follow up with hidden container-launched missiles from civilian ships. Closing. Powerful voice suspense pause. Iran's plan is simple. Don't sink the carrier, just damage it enough to make the Gulf too dangerous for U.S. ops. Make staying too costly to fight. Could this actually work? Drop your thoughts below. Team Iran or Team USA? Subscribe for more insane military breakdowns. Stay tuned.